Hey guys, I'm terrible at doing intros, as we all know. Thank you for holding that.
You're welcome. Look at.
So today's video, sorry, I'm filming on my phone by the way. So today's video is us trying to be adults and trying to live a healthy lifestyle.
As we're drinking Red.
As we're drinking Red Bull, but it tastes like freaking Windex. So today's plan.
We are going to make tofu. That's what we're doing first, right?
We're gonna go to Safeway, get some supplies. We only need one thing. I love being healthy. And we got the chili paste. Show them the chili paste. Oh wait, I can see your food bag. There it is.
Do a haul.
Grapes and chili paste, that's what we got. And Cheetos. Because we're healthy. And then we're gonna go home, we're gonna make tofu, and then we're gonna go play tennis. So we went to the thrift store, we got some workout clothes. We didn't get a lot, well she got a lot.
I got 3 things.
Oh, I thought you got more.
Okay, so all of the things I got are like the same.
But just in different colors.
Because I wear them to bed and to work out. So first I got
that
these.
Is like so cute. That's my
and
favorite
I will
color
wear these in normal
right now.
outfits like in the summer when we hang out. These are a really fun color.
I'll remind you who.
Oh shoot, yeah, they definitely wear that for 10. Can we just wash these at home and then I can wear them?
Yeah.
Instead of going home. And then these ones, because green's my favorite color.
And then I got some gray Nike, what are they called? Biker shorts.
Yeah, but they're like not like spandex material, they're like thick cotton.
Yeah.
So they're better for working out and they're gray, so.
I'm so excited. I love biker shorts. And then these Adidas ones.
I love those ones. They're so cute.
So fun. And then from Target, I'm so bad at vlogging. I'm so sorry. And then from Target, we got tennis balls because we love tennis.
Can we open these on camera and I'll show you how satisfying
Should we do it at the...
I just really want to do it now. Here, you can open this one.
It reminds me of Pringles.
Exactly.
Wait, is it going to make it like a noise?
Oh my...
I was not expecting that.
And smell it.
Guys, here's the infamous tripod. Don't ask why we're here, okay? Life of Pain Combs.
Oh, it's 50% off.
Why did you struggle to say that?
Because this is 50 cents off. With these together.
Tell them why you're getting rhinestones.
Oh, because I'm going to put rhinestones on these.
On her shoes. Excuse me, do you guys have Lipkins? Okay guys, we're at home. We're gonna make our tofu and let's hope we have all of the ingredients, yes.
Because I was like, yeah, I have all that. And I was like, those are some odd things to have, but...
So let's hope we have it. But we have literally everything. Tofu, chili garlic sauce, less sodium soy sauce, honey, sesame oil, and then rice vinegar.
First step.
Let me make rice while she's talking because that takes the longest.
Oh, makes my eyes look cool.
She's opening the tofu. Okay, so you put it on a plate, put a napkin over it, and then it soaks all the water out. Okay, let me go get a paper towel.
Oh, sorry.
Is it good?
So then you put another layer on top of the tofu.
What?
What? I'm talking to the camera.
Here's a little update on the tofu, and I'm making rice right now. Okay, so it's soaked up a lot actually. So we're gonna try it again one more time with a new napkin because she's soaked up. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's really satisfying. She's beauty, she's great, she's United States.
We're putting 2 tablespoons of flour into a big bowl. Put the tofu in and mix it up like fried food.
It's supposed to be cornstarch though.
Yeah, it's supposed to be cornstarch, but we don't have it, so we're gonna use flour. Oh my god, I think they meant like fish, like you dip it in the cup. Frick! Okay, I coated all the tofu. Hopefully, I can't really tell because they're all white and flour's white, so. And then Peyton put the sesame oil on the pan and we put it on medium heat. And the rice is already done cooking, surprisingly. And now Peyton's doing the sauce for the tofu. Okay, ladies, so we have the food. This is what it looks like. Let's try it.
It's good. The tofu is just a weird texture.
Yeah, the tofu texture is not like what I was expecting, but the flavor is good. Out of 10, what do you rate it?
Probably like a 7.
I think I would do a 7 too. I just wish it was a little more crispier. We gave up. All I see is your butt. There's literally nobody here.
Kaiauna and Peyton not allowed. That's weird.
I was not expecting that. Thank you. I lost a ball. Here, I'll get it. What? We retrieved the ball. Stop!
Hey, we're done. Now I gotta take our self-timer pictures because we are pretty cool.
Look at the mountain. It looks so cool. Mount Rainier. Oh my god, my hair. Ah. Ow! How did I grab it? You opened the door. Holy macadamia.
I do that every day.
Family?